Now we are going to go over solving word problems using data tables. So here, let's pretend I've already gone over what I've got. I've got 15, 20, 25, and 5. If you watched my other video, you should have already gotten all of these for this. So it says Miss Lowe's class voted for their favorite potato. Their results were put into the graph. Which potato had the most amount of votes? And because I've already labeled my graph before I even read the problem, if you noticed, I know that the most votes, the most amount of votes I'm looking for, is going to be potato chips. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go to the next question. Number of sunny days. We've got our pictograph here. I know in my key there are 6 sunny days, so I know this will be 6, 12, 18, 24, plus half of 6 is 3. 24 plus 3 will be 27. So I know this is going to be 24. This was 6 and 12. One more group of 12 or 6 after 12 will be 18. So I've gone ahead and I've labeled my graph before I even look at the question. Question says, these were the number of sunny days over the summer. How many sunny days did August have? All I've got to do is go over here and look at August. They had 27 days of sun. Easy peasy. As long as you look at that graph before you start answering questions, you will be fine. Let's take a look at this one. We've got our dot plot. It says the graph, look at me, I need to label my graph first so I know 2 friends read 1 book, 1 friend read 2, 2 friends read 3, 0 friends read 4, 4 friends read 5, 2, 1, 2. Okie dokie, I've labeled my graph. Now the graph shows the number of books Miss Unrein's class has read. How many students read 7 books? So that's what I'm looking for. How many students read 7 books? So these are the number of books they read. These people read 7 books. How many people read those books? 1 person. 1 person read 7 books. Now I'm going to go to my last question. We're going to go over this frequency table question. This one is pretty easy. I see that it's 5 plus 4, that's 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5, 10, 12 students. So I'm just reading my graph before I look at my problem. Now the problem says the 3rd grade voted for their favorite sport. How many people liked soccer and baseball? So our question is asking how many people like soccer and baseball. So we're trying to see how many people like both of those 2 sports. So do I need to have basketball? No, I'm not worried about it. I see that this many people like soccer, this many people like baseball, so 8 and 12. 12 plus 8 will be 8 plus 2 is 10. Regroup that 1. That's a 1. Plus 1 is 2. Our answer to that problem would be 20. I hope this was helpful for you and a good review before you start your next part of this assignment. Good luck, have fun, do your best.